How to relist an item on Facebook Marketplace.
Now, if you want to relist an already existing listing in your Facebook Marketplace, just simply open your Facebook app and tap to this Marketplace icon from the bottom bar. And once you go in here, you just simply need to tap into this profile icon from the top right side of your screen. Tap to that, and once you tap in there, you are gonna see a bunch of options. Among them, you need to select this option of quick actions under selling quick actions, and you will see the button of relist in here, or you can also choose delete and relist, which will delete your previous list and you can relist the same list as new one. But I'm simply choosing the relist option from here, which is the simplest form of it. Then after that, you need to select your listing, which will be in here, and select that listing, and after that tap to the relist button.
And this way you can very easily relist an item on Facebook Marketplace.